Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-learn data science. To begin your journey, focus on building a strong foundation. This means mastering core mathematical concepts such as statistics and linear algebra, which are crucial for understanding data. Simultaneously, learn a powerful programming language like Python or R. These languages are indispensable for data manipulation, analysis, and model building, forming the bedrock of your data science skills. Next, immerse yourself in practical application using essential tools. Online courses offer structured learning paths, guiding you through complex topics. Crucially, practice with real-world datasets from platforms like Kaggle. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Master key open-source libraries such as Pandas for data handling, NumPy for numerical operations, and Scikit-learn for machine learning, as these are industry standards for data scientists. To truly solidify your learning and demonstrate your capabilities, focus on building a robust portfolio. Complete at least 3 to 5 end-to-end data science projects, from data collection to model deployment. Document your code thoroughly and explain your methodologies on platforms like GitHub. Presenting your projects clearly, highlighting your thought process and results, is vital for showcasing your problem-solving skills to potential employers or collaborators. Finally, data science is a rapidly evolving field, so continuous learning is paramount. Dedicate time to staying updated with new algorithms, tools, and emerging industry trends. Engage actively with the vibrant data science community through forums, meetups, or online groups. Networking is incredibly beneficial. Always seek constructive feedback on your projects to identify areas for improvement and refine your analytical and technical skills over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.